Nigeria playing in Mozambique in the round of 16 of the AFCON. For me, Nigeria is going to beat Mozambique and it's going to be an easy victory. But I know that Nigeria we are going to concede goal. No matter how we play against Mozambique, but we are going to beat Mozambique silly, at least 2 goal margin. And I'm expecting Osimhen to score. We know Nigeria are going to dominate because Mozambique are the smaller side. They are going to sit back and Nigeria on the counter attack. But Nigeria should beat Mozambique. Even though if it's not beat them silly, Nigeria should qualify for the quarter final of the AFCON. While Egypt versus Benin Republic, Egypt should beat Benin Republic because Egypt are going to dominate the game. Benin Republic are going to sit back and Egypt on the counter attack. So Benin Republic will be looking for any error from Egypt to beat Egypt, and for me, Egypt should qualify for the next round of the AFCON. But I don't trust this Egypt. The teams that have not this Egypt out of the AFCON, previous AFCON, they're not the big side. So I don't trust this Egyptian side. But I'm expecting them to beat Benin Republic. But I won't be surprised if Benin Republic defeats this Egyptian side. The Senegal qualified as expected, Morocco qualified as expected. Then Mali, I said between Mali and Tunisia, Mali qualified as expected. There's going to go to penalty shootouts. They're going to penalty shootout. Why the match? I said South Africa to qualify, but Cameroon not qualify. But I said it was 50-50, but I stick my neck out for South Africa. But Cameroon qualified because they're not going to the World Cup, so they have to put all their eggs in the AFCON basket, just like Nigeria. So kudos, my prediction apart from the South Africa Cameroonian game, all my prediction is going as I expected and as I predicted.